platform will get you a free tool. These are the newer $15 down from 59. This is one of the best deals. We got the top 20 deals at the Home Depot. Yes, and some of the newer tools that are just released. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icons so we can bring more to review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. This is the clearance section. There's a lot of the yellow jacket here on clearance, $29. And then check this one out. This was pretty nice. There's the yellow jacket power squid, 5 outlets. So pretty nice what they're doing with this. It's like for generators and stuff like that. Then they got these for $99 down from $119. These are the 2-drawer from Joby. And then some more yellow jackets here. This is a light 25-footer. Extension cord / light. They got the Arctic Air for $99. A portable cooler or fan, whatever they call it. But I don't know why they advertise as cool. I don't know if they actually cool the air or they just move the air. But in all the fans that they even got one for the neck. They advertise this and cool it. Got the air tip kit. This is $15 down from $59. This is actually a pretty dang good deal if you can find it at your store. Fortunately, it's already sold out here. That was a killer deal for 15 bucks. All right, we got the nailers. These are framing nailers for $329, either the 21 or 30. The 15 gauge for $279. The 16 gauge angled finish for $279. And then check out that miter saw. This is a dual bevel 10-inch miter saw kit for $549. I think that's a really, really good deal on that one. So there's also a circular saw 7 1/4 for $179. Starter kit for $199. And then 2 batteries for $149. That is the miter saw kit for $549. All right, saw this smaller Milwaukee section here at the middle of the store. And then they had this. This was actually not bad. Does include some bits and a pack out for $49.98. Then they have this one for $19.97. Was down from $27.97 for those bits. And then they got these bits for $33.97. Do apologize for the image, not the sharpest. $49.97 for these auger or these hole dozer. All right, they still got these deals going on. I think this is one of the best deals. You mix and match 2 of these and get a free starter kit with the high output battery. Obviously, that pack out radio and that vacuum and the rear handle circular saw are probably going to be the best bets, the best deals on these. There is the vacuum there, and that is one of the newer items. And then you got the pack out radio there for $299. So mix and match and hack, guys. These are definitely some really nice deals. One of the newer tools. This is a portable platform or portable tabletop you could use pretty much anywhere. And it is a Ryobi Link Speed Bench 199. You're able to convert this into a dolly and take it anywhere you want. $135 down from $149 for the panel light. So you guys just see from the widgets. And obviously, make sure you guys buy your safety equipment, even for your knees. 14, just under 15 bucks there. $29.88 for the 30 piece with the right angle adapter. This is actually a really nice deal, especially that adapter. It's worth that much by itself. Got the $24.97 for the saw blades. 13 piece does come with a nice carrying case, clear carrying case. $19.97 your choice, and then you got the earmuffs there for $33.97. I do like those glasses. Those are fog-free glasses, especially in the winter where when you sweat, you get all foggy and everything. Well, those don't fog. I do have some DeWalt's right now, and they're not as good as the Milwaukee ones. All right, so $10.97 your choice here. You got the 12-pack of ink saw and the 50-pack of blades, as you guys see right there. They do come with a nice case. That is the 12-pack of ink saw. And then you got the 11-in-1, and then you got the Rio chalk there. All right, some newer ones are the folding hex 9-piece and 8-piece. So these are all new. Well, actually, I've never seen these before at the where the deals are at. So $14.97, any of these, including those fastbacks, the 6-in-1s. That is a pair of fastbacks. Really recommend those. Those are really nice to use. All right, I love these gloves. These are demolition gloves. 1997 and 1797 for the safety glasses or the vest. And then you got these vacuum accessories. They're 14.97 for the air tip claw utility nozzle, 12.97 for the air tip 3-in-1, and then 9.97 for the one with the brush there at the bottom. 149 for that vacuum that is considered a free item, or that is qualifies for a free item with the purchase of a starter kit. I'll show you guys that in a second. Definitely the vacuum is worth it. So 19.97 for the 15-piece titanium, 169 for the reciprocating saw, and then 149 for the. Those are all tools that are available for a free promo. 39.98 for the 8-piece, and you get the 5-piece there for 29.98. And that is the 8-piece and then the 5-piece. So that's pretty nice. Case included. All right, so $2.99 will get you a free tool. Those are 2 6-amp hour batteries, going to get you the better deal or the better tools. That blower is one of the newer items. It's actually a newer blower. And you got the rocket light, the grease gun, and all those. $1.99 is the lower tier. Is going to get you a free tool, including that brand new or the newer impact driver or that vacuum. I would definitely get that vacuum. That vacuum's pretty good. It's just like the pack out vacuum, but still pretty good stuff. That is the $2.99 kit, and then the $1.99 kit. So any of those will get you free tools, and including these for the upper tier, the $2.99 will get you any of these. Definitely check it out. That's a lot of great value on these. And then same thing with these. These are all qualified for that, including that inflator. To have that inflator, it works pretty good. Angle grind's pretty nice. The impact wrench, guys, that thing's a beast. $2.49. This is a really, really good tool. And then there is the newer blower. So $1.79 qualifies for that. Free promo, including that rocket light, $2.29. So definitely check it out. Make sure you guys shop early. There's a lot of inventory on this store, but not a lot on our other stores. All right, so same thing with this. You buy any of the lights, get a free top off or a free battery. These are hackable. So guys, make sure you guys shop early, especially that top off. It is worth it. I do have it. It does have USB Type-C. It is a fast charger. All right, so 350 lumen. And then the other two do qualify for the two $499 deal. So you buy any of the ones on the left, two for $99, and get it for that price. All right, and then you got the brushed tools, older technology, but still pretty reliable. You guys know Milwaukee's pretty reliable. $199 either for the battery or the dual port charger, dual bay charger. All right, moving on to Ryobi. This is one of the better deals or better tools to get for free, with the obviously the top of the line battery kit, which is this one. This one's a $199 starter kit. You get any of these for free, your choice, including that vacuum, which is the better deal, hammer drill, circular saw, the cutoff tool, impact wrench, the 3/8 impact wrench, or the pruning saw. And that is the tool or the starter kit you have to buy. And then yes, that nailer is included with that kit, so definitely move on to that nailer. That is a really great value on that one. So on these are all the tools that are available with the cheaper kit. Got the vacuum, angle grinder, pruning saw, or the shears, the speaker, the fan. These are all available with the cheaper kit, which is, I believe, is $99. And then this is sold just $169, and then $109 for the Airstrike 18-inch brand nailer. And then you got the multi-size ratchet available for $119. Then you got the two-tool combo kit for $99. Impact driver, drill driver, 2 batteries. Or you can get drill driver or impact driver. All right, so this is the cheaper option. This is the cheapest pretty much. There's a lot of good tools in here, especially a sander, jigsaw, oscillating tool, reciprocating saw, fan. Those are all good tools, especially for $99. You're getting a lot. You're getting 2 batteries, which is a 4 and a 2, and you're getting a free tool with that. qualifying purchase. Now these, do apologize, all of the deals were all over the place on this store. You got the telescoping scrubber there. That's a good deal on that one. And then you got the performance 6 amp hour battery for $99. Compact glue gun for $29.97 and 6-port charger for $99. Alright, you got an impact driver, drill driver. These are HP brushless tools for $159. That's a pretty good deal. And then this does qualify for the free gift with the top tier, which is the $199 deal. It's a pretty good deal on this one. It is the newer nailer. And then these do qualify for the cheaper tier, which is the $99 get a free tool. So these all do qualify for that. All right, on clearance for $152, down from $379. This is a 12-inch dual bevel miter saw. Be on the lookout on your stores. Unfortunately, they were already sold out here. Guys, these deals are still available. I'm not going to go over them in detail because we've seen them before. But these are still pretty solid deals. Getting those pack counts for $1. Qualifying purchase of $149 or greater. You got a bandsaw there on clearance for $232. It is from the DeWalt's. And then you got these for $31 from $32. This 14-inch supply bag. And then pack out black 30-ounce tumbler. I use this one every day and it works really well. I really like it. The lid does leak a little bit if you tilt it, but if you're not going to be tilting it all the time. Guys, these are the newer tool bags from the Tough System. I never seen these before. 114. It is a 22-inch bag. And it does not look yellow. It looks like kind of like goldish in person. It looks yellowish in the camera. But yeah, it has a lot of pockets. I'm just going through it so I can show you guys what it comes with. I really love the yellow on the inside, easier to see. Then you can put something a little bit larger there and carry it. Lots of pockets even on the sides. Some more yellow on the insides, which I love that. Easier to see, and then some more pockets on the outside. Got a nice big pocket on the back, maybe for a laptop or something a little bit bigger. And it is compatible with the Tough System, of course. So that's it for today, guys. Just a short video, just an overall top 20 for the day. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.